In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle eBay local pickup for your local eBay sales. This process is quite straightforward and is a great way to save both on shipping costs and ensure your buyers can get their items quickly and directly. Whether you're trying to sell a large item that's tough to ship, or simply want to connect more personally with buyers in your local area, utilizing eBay's local pickup option is a fantastic tool. First, you'll want to head over to ebay.com and log into your account. This is your starting point to set up any selling operation on eBay, so make sure your login credentials are handy. Once you are successfully logged in, navigate to My eBay, and from the drop-down menu, select Selling. If you prefer, you can also go directly to the Seller Hub, especially if you're accustomed to using it for managing your eBay sales more comprehensively. When you're in the selling section, go ahead and look for the option labeled Listings. Here, you'll either choose to create a brand new listing or edit an existing one depending on what your current needs are. This is where the customization begins, and setting up a listing accurately is crucial for ensuring you attract the right buyers. As you proceed, scroll down until you reach the shipping section. This may be a familiar area if you've been selling items that require shipping previously. At the right hand side, you'll notice an option labeled Shipping Options. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu presenting various shipping possibilities. You'll want to look for the local pickup option here. Toggle this feature to On. By doing this, you're indicating that you are offering buyers the choice to pick up their purchased item from a designated location rather than having it shipped. While you're adjusting these settings, consider if you'd like to toggle the collection fee option to On. This is optional but can be beneficial if you want to charge a pickup fee to cover any inconvenience or costs incurred on your end. Next, direct your attention to the shipping method section on the left-hand side. Click the drop-down menu located under this section. You'll find an option that states Local Pickup Only, Sell to Buyers Near You. Select this choice to confirm that your listing is specifically for local transaction purposes. Once you've made sure everything is set up just right, you'll have a couple of final choices. You can either save your listing for later if you need to review anything, or feel it needs another glance, or you can list it immediately and start reaching out to your local buyer market. And that's it, you've successfully set up an eBay listing for local pickup, ready to make selling easier and more streamlined for transactions within your community. Enjoy the convenience and the opportunity to connect with buyers face to face.